Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Dee here. Please, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and put on the notification bell so to let you know when I post a new video. Hey guys, in today's video I tried making Emma Goodie's 1 minute 2 ingredient donuts but with a twist. Let's get right into today's video so you guys can find out what the twist is, and I promise you it was totally worth it. So I started by getting my mixing bowl and adding half a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, but you don't have to add that if you're using self-rising flour. I'll put the substitute in the description box below. Half a cup of vanilla flavored yogurt, two tablespoons of sugar. Now you mix everything together properly. I wanted a lighter consistency, so I added 1 tablespoon of water. I used a Ziploc bag for piping, but you can also use a piping bag if you have one. I put some vegetable oil in the pan to heat up. So with the Ziploc method, I didn't really like the shapes I was getting. So you fry them on both sides till golden brown. So you place them on paper towels to take off the excess oil. So I tried using a teaspoon to get a better shape. So I think it's giving me a better shape, but what do you guys think? What's your verdict? Teaspoon or Ziploc bag? Please let me know in the comment section. Hey, we're done frying, so now on to the more interesting stuff. And here's my yummy bowl of goodness. Oh my gosh, they look so perfect. I'm going to serve mine with Nutella, but you can also have it with powdered sugar or your favorite melted chocolate. Here's my favorite part, the texture shot. Look at that yummy soft inside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed filming it for you guys. I hope you guys try this recipe out because it was absolutely amazing. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your family and friends, and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.